Today we're creating a stylish mobile phone reveal effect using one of CapCut's intro effects. This effect makes your footage slide in smoothly, just like a smartphone UI reveal, perfect for product promos or app showcases. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap the clip to select it. Now, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. Remember, in CapCut Mobile, effects are applied directly onto your clip. From the category list, open the Intro and Outro tab. Here, look for an effect called Phone Drift. Then tap to apply. Right away, you will see a smooth sliding movement combined with a phone style reveal animation. It adds a clean floating motion and a subtle glow, giving your footage a high tech look. To customize the effect, tap on it again. You'll find two sliders. A speed controls how fast the phone style reveal animation happens. Slide right for a faster, snappier motion, or left for a slower premium reveal. Glow controls the intensity of the glowing edges. Increase for a bright futuristic vibe, or decrease for a soft, minimal feel. You can also drag the effect duration on the timeline to decide how long the reveal lasts. And that's it. You've created an elegant mobile phone reveal effect in CapCut Mobile, great for product demos, transitions, and textile edits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.